This video will show you how to check the motor power cable coming from two sensor drive and compact type and old type. To check the motor power cable, please disconnect the motor power connector CN2. CN2. The first, please check the resistance between U, V, E, W. Please check between UV resistance and VW. Second check and third check and UW. Third check. The value should be below 1 ohm. And next, you have to check insulation condition between U and E, V and E, and W and E. U, V, W, E. First check UE. And second check V and E. And third check W and E. The value is above several mega ohms. And next, in case of old type, open the cover, protect cover in front of the drive. You can see the U, V, W, and E wiring number. And first measure U and V. Second measure V and W. Third measure U and W. The value is below 1 ohm below. And then also you have to U, V, W, E. The terminal U and E first check. Second V and E. Second check. And third check W and E. The value above several mega ohms. This is presence of a motor, encoder, this motor power line, depends on motor, the spec is different. Thank you for watching.